In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make and attach a handle using the slab method. First of all, you're going to want to start by rolling out a slab 1 ruler thick. This will make sure that it's the right thickness and it will be nice and even. After you have that rolled out, you're going to want to cut a 1-inch strip out of the slab. I do this by cutting one straight line, measuring 1 inch, creating 2 marks, connecting the dots, and cutting again. This makes sure that it's exactly parallel and it's 1 inch thick. Now you're going to want to grab some plastic and lay it on top of your slab. You're going to take your finger and run it along the corners to round them out. Rounding the corners will make it very comfortable to hold, especially once that cup has more weight because of the liquid inside of it. Okay, so flip it over and go ahead and round out the corners of the other side. Now that you have your handle, go ahead and plan out the shape of the handle that you want. And make sure that you're paying attention to proportions. These two drawings show handles that are too big and too small, not enough room for the hands. So once you have the proportions, you can plan out what shape you want. You can make it look like a half of a heart, angled, or just looking like a C. So now you're going to shape your handle to your desired shape. Once your handle is leather hard, then we will attach it to our mug. So make sure you wait till it's leather hard before we try to attach it. So what I'm going to want to do is trim this handle so it's the right size for the mug. Here you can see that the cylinder is straight line. So what I'm going to do is use the lines of the table to actually help me make this nice and straight. Now that we have trimmed the handle to the right size, we are now going to shape or cut the ends of the handle to match the shape of the mug. So you can see here that because the mug is round, we're going to need to make this cut in the handle so it fits and matches the shape of the mug. So here you can see that it fits on the mug and there are no gaps along the sides or ends of that handle. It fits pretty well and matches the cup perfectly. Okay, so now it's time to attach the handle. I suggest drawing a straight line down your mug to make sure that the handle goes on straight and it's not crooked. Once you have positioned the handle where you would like, go ahead and trace around the ends of the handle so you know exactly where to score and slip. Okay, so now go ahead and score and slip that handle onto your mug. Now for the finishing touch to make it look really nice, go ahead and take a wet brush and go around the handle to smooth out the extra slip and make it look nice and neat. Okay, so there you have it. We have a nice handle, well proportioned, attached to our mug. Hope you have fun.